Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I swear there's stuff there. Really? Disneyland's gonna call me a liar.
Come now, Cinderella. Dry those tears, and you shall.
Show's still going.
Oh, yeah, that's loud.
The magic words.
It's so pretty, guys.
Say them with me, and oh, what magic you see.
Oh, Disneyland, you're so full of wonder. Yeah. So we got stuck on Splash Mountain. Right, James?
Good 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah. Good. We got stuck on Splash Mountain.
Yeah, we did.
It was so pretty. And to reward us, whoa, all those Rocketeer guys. To reward us, they gave us like 2 6-person fast passes. Wish you guys were here enjoying this with us. So pretty. Yeah.
Good thing it's not like San Diego fireworks.
What's San Diego fireworks like?
You didn't hear about that?
No.
It all went off at the same time. And then
Oh, okay, it was just like, and it's it.
10 seconds, everyone's like, oh my god, and then it went.
A tale as old as time. So we're gonna go ride Star Tours? No. Space Mountain. We got fast passes for Space Mountain.
Fuck? Yeah.
Don't cuss on my channel. I'm just kidding. I don't care.
I'll do what the hell I want.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know what I'm trying to show you guys. It's at 2 different places. V for Vendetta. So we're gonna go ride Space Mountain. Hope you guys have an awesome everything. And I'll see you guys next time.